In this video, we will discuss about the types of manufacturing industries. We can classify manufacturing industries in three types: primary industries, secondary industries, and the tertiary industries. And these tertiary industries also constitute the service sector of the country. So first of all, we will discuss about the primary industries. So basically, the primary industries are the industries that cultivate and use the natural resources. These industries include agriculture, forestry, fishing, livestock, mining, and petroleum. The agriculture represented with some examples: forestry, fishing, livestock, mining, petroleum. Then we will discuss about the secondary industries. Secondary industries take, use the output from the primary industries and convert them into the consumer and capital goods. So basically, the secondary industries use the raw material, the starting raw material from the primary industries. So the output of the primary industries is used as a starting raw material in the case of secondary industries to manufacture the parts, to manufacture the products, to manufacture the items, components, the consumer goods, the capital goods. The consumer goods, what are the capital goods? We will discuss them. So some of the examples of the secondary industries include the aerospace industries, the apparel, automotive, basic metals, beverages, building materials, chemicals, computer industries, construction companies, consumer appliances, electronic industry, equipment industry, the fabricated metals industries, and the food processing industries. In the secondary industries, we also include the glass and ceramic industries, heavy machinery, paper, petroleum refining industries, pharmaceuticals, plastics, power utilities, and the publishing materials industries, textiles, tires and rubbers, and the wood and furniture industries. So, all these are the industries which take the output of the primary industries and convert their outputs, use their outputs as a starting raw material to manufacture the parts, the products, the goods, the components, the items, the things. So in the list of secondary industries, we have the aerospace industry. So the products used in the aerospace industries, they are basically in the category of capital goods. Then we have the apparel. The items, the parts, the products manufactured by this industry, they are in the category of the consumer goods. Automotive industry. We have the basic metals industry, beverages industries. We have the building materials industries, chemical industries, computers industries, construction industry, consumer appliances industry, electronics equipment industry. In secondary industries, we also include the fabricated metals industry, food processing industry. Their examples are shown with the pics here. Glass industry, the ceramic industry, heavy machinery industry, the paper industry, petroleum refining industry, whose output is in the form of various types of plastics, pharmaceuticals industry. In this category, we also include the power utilities industry, publishing industry, textiles industry, tire and rubber industry, wood and furniture industry. Then we have the tertiary industries. These tertiary industries, they also make the service sector of the company. These tertiary industries, they are also known as the service industries. So in the list of tertiary industries, we have the banking sector, communications, the education departments, the entertainment facilities, financial services, government, health and medical, hotels, information, insurance, legal, real estate, repair and maintenance, restaurants, retail trade, tourism, transportation, wholesale trade. So all these industries, they include into the tertiary industries known as the service sector of the country. Basically, the purpose of tertiary industries is to provide services. In almost 99% cases, these tertiary industries do not provide the physical goods, the items, the components, the parts, the products to the customers. Their purpose is basically to provide the services. So included in this sector, we have the banking, the communications sector, education sector. In tertiary industries, we have the entertainment sector, the financial services, the government sector. Health and medical services are also included into the tertiary industries, the hospitals, then the hotels, information sector, insurance sector, legal services, real estate sector, repair and maintenance services. Tertiary industries also includes the restaurants, retail trade, tourism, transportation, wholesale trade. So we have discussed three different types of industries, known as the primary industries, known as the secondary industries, and known as the tertiary industries. The primary industries basically cultivate and use the natural resources, and the outputs of the primary industries are used as a starting raw material in the case of secondary industries. Secondary industries are basically the manufacturing industries. All of the manufacturing industries are included into the secondary industries. The parts are the products manufactured by the secondary industries. They can be consumer goods, they can be capital goods. And then the third industries discussed by us is the tertiary industries, known as the service sector of the country. And the purpose of these tertiary industries is to provide services to the consumers, to the people. So here we are going to differentiate between the manufactured products. So on the basis of the end users, the manufactured products can be categorized as the consumer goods and the capital goods. What are the consumer goods? These are the parts, these are the products, these are the goods, these are the components, the things, the items purchased and used directly by the consumers, the customers, such as cars, TVs, shoes, fans, tennis rackets, pen, personal computers, chairs, tables, cell phones, the dryers, glass, plates, kitchen appliances, USB, mouse, remote control, bulb, tube lights, motorcycle, bicycle, and we have a lot of consumer goods which are difficult to discuss in this short video lecture. Then in the case of capital goods, we have a variety of products, and these capital goods are basically the products purchased by other companies to produce the goods, items, the parts, the components, or to supply services, such as the aircraft. Aircraft is not purchased by the consumers, the customers directly. Aircrafts are purchased by the companies to provide the services. Railroad equipments, they are not purchased directly by the customers, the consumers. They are purchased by companies to provide the services. The construction equipments, mainframe computers, the machine tools, buses, ships, trucks. So all these are the examples of the capital goods. Then we have another classification of the manufactured products. On the basis of the nature of the part or the product, we can classify these products into two different categories, known as the discrete products, known as the continuous products. So first of all, we will discuss about the discrete items or the products. Parts are the products which can be counted separately. For example, if this one is the one pen, two pen, three pen, four pen, five pen, we have the 10 pens. We have 100 mouses. We have 1000 electric irons. We have manufactured 150 cell phones. So these are the products, parts which can be counted separately. So they are in the category of, they are in the list of discrete items are the products, such as the cell phones, the computer mouse, the crankshafts, the electric iron, wrench, connecting rod, washing machines, plastic chairs, the tables. And the discrete items are the products. They can be individual parts or they can be the assembly of various components in the form of assembled products. And the second category is the continuous items or the products. So the products that are in bulk form and cannot be counted separately, such as cement, chemicals, paints, sheet metal coils, sugar, beverages, fertilizers, plastic raw materials, the powders form and the granules form. So all the products which are in bulk form before their packagings, they are known as the continuous items or the products. Thanks for watching.